Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about having a passive income. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding passive income and investing in real estate. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Passive income is a financial concept that allows individuals to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike traditional income, which requires active participation, passive income streams can provide financial stability and freedom over time. This can come from various sources, such as rental properties, dividends from investments, or royalties from creative work. The benefits of passive income are significant. It can help you achieve financial independence, reduce stress, and create more time for what you love. In this video, viewers will learn practical strategies for generating passive income, including tips on investment opportunities and leveraging existing skills. We'll explore different avenues to create these income streams, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their financial background. Understanding passive income is crucial in today's fast-paced world where financial freedom is a goal for many. By building passive income, you can break free from the 9-to-5 grind and gain the flexibility to live life on your own terms. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings derived from ventures in which a person is not actively involved on a day-to-day basis. This contrasts with active income, which is earned through direct participation in work, such as a salary from a job or fees for services rendered. The key difference lies in the level of effort required. Active income demands continuous work, while passive income can generate revenue with little ongoing involvement. Many misconceptions surround passive income, with some believing it's a get-rich-quick scheme. In reality, building passive income often requires initial effort, investment, or creativity before it can yield returns. Common examples of passive income streams include rental income from real estate, dividends from stocks, and royalties from books or music. Other avenues might involve creating an online course or affiliate marketing. Understanding these distinctions and examples can empower you to explore opportunities that align with your financial goals and lifestyle aspirations. Investing in real estate. Real estate is a powerful avenue for generating passive income, primarily through rental properties. When you invest in rental properties, you can earn consistent monthly income from tenants, which can provide substantial returns over time. Additionally, property values often appreciate, allowing for potential profit when you decide to sell. Another option for passive income in real estate is through real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. By investing in REITs, you can earn dividends without the responsibilities of managing physical properties, making it a more hands-off approach to real estate investing. However, the success of your real estate investments heavily relies on location and thorough market research. Understanding local market trends, property values, and neighborhood dynamics can significantly impact your returns. By choosing the right location and conducting diligent research, you can maximize your passive income potential in the real estate sector. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This creates a reliable source of passive income for investors, as they receive regular payments, typically on a quarterly basis. The benefits of investing in dividend stocks include not only the income generated, but also the potential for capital appreciation as the stock value increases over time. When selecting reliable dividend-paying companies, it's essential to look for those with a strong track record of consistent dividend payments and growth. Key factors to consider include the company's payout ratio, dividend yield, and overall financial health. Companies with a history of increasing their dividends annually are often seen as more stable investments. Reinvesting dividends can significantly enhance your investment growth. By using dividends to purchase more shares, you can take advantage of compound growth, leading to a larger income stream over time. This strategy can help you build wealth while enjoying the benefits of passive income. Creating digital products. Creating and selling digital products is an excellent way to generate passive income. Digital products can take various forms, including ebooks, online courses, printables, and software. These products require an initial investment of time and effort to create, but can provide ongoing revenue with minimal maintenance. The process begins with identifying a niche or topic that resonates with your target audience. Once you have a concept, you can create your product by outlining content, designing materials, and ensuring quality. After creation, marketing is crucial. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content marketing strategies to reach potential customers. To sell your digital products effectively, consider using platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and built-in audiences, making it easier to reach buyers. Additionally, setting up your own website can provide more control over branding and sales. By leveraging these tools, you can create a sustainable income stream while sharing your expertise with others. Peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-peer, P2P lending has emerged as a compelling passive income opportunity, connecting borrowers directly with individual lenders through online platforms. These platforms facilitate loans by allowing investors to fund a portion of a loan requested by borrowers, earning interest on the money lent. This process bypasses traditional banks, often resulting in lower interest rates for borrowers and higher returns for lenders. While P2P lending can offer attractive rewards, it also comes with risks. The primary risk is the potential for borrower default, meaning the borrower may fail to repay the loan. To mitigate this risk, it's essential to diversify your investments across multiple loans rather than putting all your funds into one. When choosing the right lending platform, consider factors such as the platform's reputation, fees, and the types of loans offered. Look for platforms that provide detailed borrower information and risk assessments to make informed lending decisions. By carefully selecting your investments, you can enjoy the benefits of passive income through peer-to-peer lending. Building a blog or website. Blogging can be a powerful avenue for generating passive income through various monetization methods. One popular strategy is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Additionally, displaying ads on your blog through platforms like Google AdSense can provide a steady income stream based on traffic and clicks. Content creation is crucial for a successful blog. High-quality, engaging content not only attracts readers but also encourages them to return. Implementing effective SEO, search engine optimization techniques, helps improve your blog's visibility on search engines, driving more organic traffic over time. The potential for long-term income generation through blogging is significant. Once your content is established and your audience grows, you can continue to earn money from older posts as new visitors discover them. By consistently producing valuable content and exploring various monetization strategies, you can create a sustainable passive income source that can thrive for years to come. Conclusion. In this video, we explored various passive income streams that can help you achieve financial freedom. We discussed the benefits of rental properties, the potential of dividend stocks, the opportunities in creating digital products, and the innovative approach of peer-to-peer lending. Each of these avenues offers unique advantages and can contribute to a diversified income portfolio. Now that you have a better understanding of these options, it's time to take action. Start by researching which passive income stream aligns best with your skills and interests, and begin your journey toward building a sustainable income source. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also benefit from learning about passive income. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care